England have just beaten Wales in Euro 2016, so that's good. This package arriving is also good. It's an Apple keyboard. It's the one that's wired, and I did choose to not go down the wireless route because I'm not going to take this with me because it's for a laptop keyboard. It's a MacBook Air, which has a fantastic keyboard. I was looking at the Bluetooth keyboards, and I'm like, actually, yeah, I lose a USB slot, but the keyboard actually gives you 2 USB slots, so I don't need to worry about keeping it charged, and it's got a number pad, and for me, that's why I went for it. Some people have written that you've got to be careful with spillages because it doesn't have any protection for spillages, so it will write the keyboard off if you get it wet. Let's just have a look in the box. And there we go. So yeah, it's exactly the same keys as you find on the Bluetooth keyboard, but obviously you've got the very handy number pad and the wire. So I think this is a more, also get the USB plug. What's that? Oh, there it is. Yeah, so that plugs into, that must be some sort of an extender then for some reason. And you get a USB in that end and another USB in that end, so you actually gain a USB port. And if you've got a MacBook Air, you will know how funky, the lack of funky, no, how short you get a USB ports basically. So yeah, that's the quick unboxing, and get some photos of it now. And I haven't done any videos in a while, just been a bit busy, and you guys never click like or subscribe anyway, do you? So yeah, but for posterity, here is the Apple keyboard. Please do share and subscribe. In such a good mood because England look like they are going to progress through to the knockout stages, and it looks like we're playing pretty well too, so all's good.